In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit any indicator in Tradingview so you can customize it to match your trading style. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, click on the Indicators button at the top and add any indicator you want, for example RSI. As soon as you add it, you'll see it appear on your chart, usually in a separate panel below. Now, to edit the indicator, move your mouse over the indicator area and look for a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window. This is where you can customize everything about the indicator. Inside the settings, you can change inputs like length or period to make the indicator more sensitive or smoother. You can also switch to the style section to adjust colors, line thickness, or how the indicator looks on your chart. If you want even more control, you can explore the visibility settings to choose where the indicator appears or hide certain elements. Don't worry if you're unsure about the options. You can always experiment and adjust them later. Once you're done, click OK and your changes will instantly apply to the chart. You can always come back and tweak the settings again anytime. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can edit any indicator and make it work exactly the way you want. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.